pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July!
Happy Independence Day.
Happy birthday, America!
Obviously, you were seeing this video a little bit after the 4th of July, but we wanted to share with you our love for small town 4th of July celebrations.
When we were stationary, we'd go to like barbecues and have people over, but we didn't really do like the whole parade thing until we started traveling.
Well,
and
it was
like,
kind of by accident.
Yeah, it was.
We were on our way somewhere in 2021
Yeah.
and stayed at a campground in the middle of nowhere, Dubois, Wyoming, and found ourselves at a small town 4th of July parade celebration, and it was absolutely amazing. And then last year we found ourselves in Big Fork, Montana. We went to another amazing parade there and had an awesome day. Your parents were visiting us then,
Yep.
so we got to spend it with them. And
That's
show
when I
them.
was pregnant.
Yep, well,
You were in my
Sierra
belly.
was in the oven. And this year we find ourselves in Utah, outside of another small town. So I think we botched it and missed the parade this morning.
Yeah, the parade that we were gonna go to was a little bit far and a little bit early, which we are a family of sleeper-inners. I don't know if that's a word, sleeper-inners, but
works.
we'd sleep in, so we decided not to go. But then it turns out our friends went, so we were like, shoot, we should have done it.
Yeah.
But there's a bunch of fun activities going around in like the little communities outside of where we're staying, so we're gonna go check that out.
Yep, so I'll show you a little bit from the last 2 years that we went to, because it's so cool, and it's why we've fallen in love with the West and small town America. And then we'll take you along with us today and see what we get into to celebrate our country's birthday. We are in the small town of Dubois, Wyoming. I thought it was Dubois, but I had to look it up, and it's actually Dubois. There's going to be a parade, there's going to be fireworks tonight. There is a military vehicle museum here, and a lot of those vehicles are going to be in the parade, so we're pretty excited to see that. And we're just going to celebrate our freedom in a small town in the West.
TP.
This is awesome. Kate is having a blast collecting candy.
Better than beads, I guess.
Wow, dude, look at that tank. Parade was awesome today. As the sun's starting to go down, they're getting ready for the fireworks celebration. So we're gonna go up on the roof of our RV, hang out, and watch the fireworks from the top of our house. Couldn't be better than that. July 4th weekend. We are in Big Fork, Montana, which is right on the Flathead Lake. They have a big parade celebration here, and it's going to be a lot of fun. mention that we love small town holiday parades.
Who are you?
It's like our new thing. 2 years in a row now, Cade has gotten excessively more candy at a 4th of July parade than he has at Halloween. I think last year hooked us, this year cemented it. Like,
Yeah.
small town 4th of July every year. Just arrived. It's parked about a block down the street, which is perfect. We're gonna get the old wagon out. I love that thing too. I signed you up.
Okay.
For $325.
Cool. I got Mighty and Mightier.
It's our first time really playing in grass, isn't it? So we just got back from the celebration in the park, and the friends that we were supposed to go to the parade with this morning just called and said that they have extra tickets for the Oakley Rodeo tonight. And they said it's absolutely a blast. And since it's 4th of July, they're doing a drone show and fireworks tonight. So we are gonna get cleaned up and we're gonna go join them at the rodeo for some good old-fashioned small town fun. And the shenanigans are about to begin.
Afghanistan and Iraq. She stands before you getting ready to celebrate 247 years as I give to you the Stars and Stripes of the United States of America. They got to come together and do it in wrestling.
Would you want to rope the head or the feet?
Trying to get them situated. How important.